Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This episode I'm going to be reviewing the revolver sniper rifle. So this is a mythical. It has single shots, critical damage is really good if you don't know, and 10 times zoom. So I've done some stuff with it and it's very good. So we're gonna be using the portal cannon, the light launcher, healing staff, executioner, which I don't know if I've done a video on. Oh, and also I want to apologize for the break. Golden friend. Next video, I actually do want to also do a video on this. But for now, this is what we're gonna do. Just open up a chest. And also, I know I said it before, but this time it's true. My birthday is not too far from now. And that I'm getting only stuff for YouTube. So that's gonna be nice. Very nice. And also this trader's van is I've never seen a snow trader's van. Maybe just other stuff. Also, I think that this map is very good. Let's go and do this. Then I'll do some... Yeah, I'll probably do some... sniper forts. Just sniper only. Here's everyone. Making a jump. Whoa! Oh. Oh, hello. No! Someone's on me! No! No! To be honest, I thought it was going to be a lot worse than that. Not there. Nice. Let's charge up this. Come on. My finger cannot hold. Oh, here we go. Ow. What did I get? Miss. Do some jumping skills there. This is called tactics. You just have to move a lot. Don't know what I'm talking about. Yeet. The revolver sniper rifle is one of those things that it's good for close range. Dang it. Back up. I really need to get to 1,000 subscribers. Not need, I kind of do. At that point, I think it will take a couple years. I have no idea. In case you're wondering, for my birthday, I am getting a mic. Right now, I'm talking through my iPad and a GoPro here. Even though I don't do that much outside stuff, but where's sniper forts? Here we go. I'm guessing, like, if you're, like, one of the higher levels, a pistol like this probably does, like, 1 damage. I don't know. Come on. Hit. Oh. Ouch. Oh, are they up there? They were not up there. They were definitely not up there. Oh, come on. Very fast reload on this. Come on, I saw someone peek up there. Come on, yes. Bah, bah, bah. Bah, 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 bah. It doesn't really shoot that fast. What gun is this? In this league, it probably does the damage of a Nerf gun, but the bullets, but it seems to have the power of, I don't know. I have no idea. Ouch. Ouch. Where are you? Back. No. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, it's just going to be easy to get subscribers. Well, not easy, but it's going to be a lot more decent and a lot faster pace. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.